I'm Tonya Ridley. I'm a physical therapist here at Tulsa Bone Joint, and Becky and I are going to show you how to do some flexion with your pulleys that you have at home. So Becky, I want you to take your arm. You're going to bring this down to your arm, and then you're going to reach up with your good arm and grab the other pulley. So what you're going to do is you're going to use your good arm and you're going to pull that other one up for a stretch. So I just want you to go to where you can tolerate it. And when you're doing this, your elbow's going to want to go out to the side. I want you to try to keep it as straight as you can. Now after you come down, I'm going to have you change directions. So I want you to bring your arm out to the side just a little bit here. You're still going to pull with this one straight down, and this one's going to come up this way. So now Becky, you're going to twist your arm and you're going to go out to the side this way. So our arm's all the way out to the side and the elbow is straight. So you're going to come up this direction. This one is going to stretch a lot more than the others. So again, keep it to your tolerance, okay?
Okay, keep my elbow straight.
Keep your elbow straight. And that's how you do your pulley exercises for your shoulder.